Hello, and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, March 13th, 2025, we're analyzing Amazon, ticker symbol Amazon. We'll be taking a look at recent news and its impact on the stock and, of course, doing our deep dive into the charts to see where Amazon might be headed. According to recent news, an analyst claims that Amazon is a victim of their own success, which could imply some short-term headwinds. However, Amazon's AWS segment is a powerful growth engine, suggesting long-term potential. Trade war escalation may also impact the stock, so it's important to keep an eye on those headlines. Now, let's move over to the charts and see if we can identify some key levels to watch. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a broad overview of AMZN's price action over the past several months. We see a recent consolidation, but with some big moves up and down. There's potential support around the $190 to $195 level, which corresponds to some previous lows. On the upside, resistance seems to be forming around the $200 to $205 range. Zooming into the 1-hour chart, we can get a closer look at more recent price action. We can clearly see the increased volatility of the last few days, with rapid moves up and down. Let's narrow in on recent price action to better identify short-term opportunities. The 1-hour chart is showing potential short-term support around $196, which the price bounced off of at least twice. We have a short-term resistance to watch for around $200.50. For a finer look, let's switch over to the 15-minute chart. There's a minor support level around $198.50, which is being tested right now, so watch for a potential breakdown. On the 15-minute chart, we can see a clear test of the short-term support. So, where do we go from here? Based on our analysis, here's what I'm watching for. A break below $198.50 on the 15-minute chart could indicate further downside, potentially testing that $195 to $196 support zone on the daily. However, if Amazon can hold above $198.50 and break above $200.50, we could see a move towards that $205 area. The news suggests a mixed outlook, with AWS as a strong positive factor, but uncertainty regarding consumer expectation of their smart home AI devices. I believe Amazon will more likely stay above $195 in the short term, with a 70% chance of that, though if the inflation report comes out bad, this could change. In the long term, I'm bullish on Amazon, maybe 80% chance, given the continued dominance of AWS and e-commerce. So watch this sector of news very closely.